Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will learn from number 1 to number 20. So let us get started. We will be coloring all these numbers. Green color. Number 1. We will trace the number 1. 1. This is black color. We will trace the number 2. 2. This is yellow color. Number 3. We will trace the number 3. This is red color. Number 4. We will trace the number 4. This is brown color. Number 5. 5. This is pink color. Number 6. This is orange color. Number 7. This is blue color. Number 8. This is purple color. Number 9. This is pink color. Number 10. 1, 0, 10. This is red color. Number 11. 1, 1, 11. This is blue color. Number 12. 1, 2, 12. This is red color. Number 13. 1, 3, 13. This is brown color. Number 14. 1, 4, 14. This is black color. 15. 1, 5, 15. This is green color. 16. 1, 6, 16. This is yellow color. 17. 1, 7, 17. This is blue color. 18. 1, 8, 18. This is red color. 19. 1, 9, 19. This is pink color. 20. 2, 0, 20. I hope you like tracing all these numbers. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.